Hi, I'm Kendrick, and we're cooking for love today with Mindful Living Network.
And I'm Kathleen Hall, CEO of the Mindful Living Network, here today with my friend Kendrick.
So, today we are thinking about Father's Day and doing something interesting on the grill besides hamburgers. It is grilling month, so we thought we'd do something healthy.
And heart health, everybody's more conscious, don't you think,
Yes,
of what we're eating. And so
yes,
I know traditionally you may want to throw a steak on there, a pork
yeah,
chop or whatever. But, this also challenges, don't you think,
yes.
the beauty and creativity. Also, it's vegetable month and it's heart healthy, and it's salmon and grilling month. Uh, so this is grilling month for us to remember that.
So we have something really wonderful and easy that anyone can do. Now, some people think that they can't cook salmon very well or seafood or vegetables. Well, we've got something that is foolproof. Now, before we start showing you this wonderful masterpiece, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to do something fun that you can grill with your dad. Now, to start out with, we have got salmon, shrimp, and we've got corn. This is like our version of a Cajun broil, but in foil on the grill. Or you can even do it in the oven if you don't have a grill handy. So I've also got some red potatoes that I've diced up, and I've got some green bell pepper, red bell pepper. I've got, you can either mince up some fresh garlic. I happen to find that it's easy to use some dried garlic that you can get over the counter. I've got olive oil, salt, and pepper, and I've got some spices. I've got chili powder, cayenne pepper, and I've also got some paprika. Now, some things you can do if you want to take a step further is you can pre-cure your seafood. I last night did a little bit of salt and pepper and um garlic on the salmon, and I did it on the shrimp, and I did it on all of my vegetables. And what that does is it pulls the flavor out of the food, and it also pulls some of the water out. So it pulls the flavor up, and the pre-curing taking the water out will make it cook so much better. And also, before I cooked the potatoes, I just did a 5 minute steam in salted water and a little bit of garlic in the water just to start it so that everything cooked at the same time. Also, another thing, just a quick tip, is if you cut everything the same size, it's all going to cook evenly. So that's just another tip. So here we go. This is what it looks like when you finish. Just put everything in the foil and just close it up. And if you cook it in the oven, cook it about 400 for about 15, 18 minutes. And this is what it's going to look like.
And what I love is already the cleanup, right?
Oh, the cleanup, no cleanup, none. So all I did was I took the vegetable medley and I put it like so, and then I just started layering it so it would look really pretty. And I just layered this beautiful piece of salmon, kind of really pretty. And I sort of put, because you eat with your eyes, so you want to have color and everything. So I sort of put the uh, little corn there, and I thought, well, I'm just going to sort of layer these pretty little shrimp like this. Now, don't be afraid of having a little piece of butter. So I'll put a little piece of butter under the corn, and then I just sort of layered a little bit of this garlic, because who doesn't love garlic?
Yes.
And then I took all my spices, and I just, see, when you learn culinary, you want to kind of do like that, like they do in restaurants, because it increases your surface area and everything gets all happy. And
I want my salmon happy.
yes, we do. So it just really gets nice. And now we're going to pour, oh, wait, I'm going to give it a good salting. A nice pepper, gotta have pepper. And then we're gonna just drizzle a little olive oil, and we're gonna close it up.
Are you
And that's
serious?
about it. Now feel free to put more olive oil. And that's it. Now you can close this up any way you like, but I just kind of do like this. And then you can kind of close it up like a present. You just want to keep it, anything from dripping, So just kind of take the bottom,
Okay.
and that's about it, really. You want to show them this beautiful, beautiful tray,
Look
Kathleen?
at this beautiful,
Look at that.
sumptuous.
When you see the white, that means that the protein is coagulating. See if you see that? So protein's coagulating, and that means the salmon's done. But really, isn't that fun? Would you like to have a bite?
Here we go.
This
Yes,
is it.
we would.
Simple.
Of course we would. Yes, you can osmosis and try to eat through us. I know that it's painful to watch, but I wouldn't have you eat anything that I wouldn't eat first.
Oh, it's so warm. Just came out of the oven. We
Oh
just
my
did it in
God.
the oven.
Oh my
Isn't
God.
that nice? So healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids. You can't
And
beat
this salmon melts in your mouth.
Isn't it good?
Oh my God, Kendrick. This is unbelievable.
Mm.
And the potatoes are sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it was also that garlic
Mm-hmm.
that you just didn't do, water. You put garlic in the water when you steamed it.
Mm-hmm.
This
everything.
is absolute. And if you want to shock the people that come over for Father's Day,
Mm-hmm.
have this. And again, no cleanup. See that cleanup?
That's it.
Recycle your aluminum foil, and you're good for the day.
It is. It is. The carbohydrates, the sugars break down, and that's what you taste in the
Oh my
fish.
God, this is
So
delicious.
please try it. Bon appetit. Enjoy it. Come back and see us.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.